guys, I'm Risha Gurung back with another video. In this video, I'm showing you how to style a check shirt in 4 different ways with 2 hacks. The looks in this video are casual and suitable for a day out. I hope you like the looks. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and liked the looks. The shirt here is from BD Collections. The link to BD Collections is provided in the description box below. If you love the video, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.